In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your entire sequence visible by hitting one key in Premiere.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. As always, stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. Alright, this is officially going to be my shortest video that isn't technically a short, so let's go. I'm in Premiere version 22.5.0, so if yours is older or newer, it might look slightly different. So say you're ready to export your video and you need to set an in at the top of your sequence and an out at the end of your sequence. The quickest way to do this is to make your entire sequence visible. So you can set an in and an out like so. As mentioned, there's a shortcut for that. And that key is, drumroll please, this backslash key here. It's right below delete on the right, both Mac and PC. Hit it and your sequence is centered, and you can see all of it. So start using that backslash on your next export, and thank me later. Alright, let's do the tip. Are you using JKL? No, I'm serious. Some of you out there aren't. And friends, you should be. L is to play your clip or sequence, K is to pause your clip or sequence, and J is to play your clip or sequence backwards. Hit L twice and it plays your clip or sequence twice as fast. Hit J twice and it plays your clip or sequence backwards twice as fast. Hit L or J 3 times and, well, you get the idea. Oh, and by the way, if you press the K and the L at the same time, it plays forward in slow-mo. And if you press K and J at the same time, it plays it backwards in slow-mo. So don't fiddle with that mouse when playing stuff in Premiere. Speed up your edit with J, K, and L, like the pros. Alright, as always, if you found any of this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted, and I will catch you next time.